Hello.
Hello.
May I sit here with you?
Yes, you can sit, but why do you want to sit with me?
Because I see you. You look tired and sad.
Yes, I am very tired.
What is your name?
My name is Anna.
Anna. My name is Jesus.
Jesus, it is nice to meet you.
It is nice to meet you too, Anna. How are you today?
I am not good. I feel sick.
I am sorry. Where do you feel sick?
My body hurts. My head is heavy. My chest feels tight. I feel weak.
How long do you feel this way?
I feel like this for many months, maybe 1 year.
1 year is a long time.
Yes, it is very long for me.
Do you see a doctor?
Yes, I see a doctor. He gives me medicine.
Does the medicine help you?
Sometimes a little, but the pain always comes back.
I understand.
Many people do not understand. They say, "You look fine. Why are you so weak?"
It can be hard when people cannot see your pain.
Yes, they see my body, but they do not see my feelings.
How do you feel in your heart?
I feel afraid. I feel lonely. I feel sad.
Why are you afraid?
I am afraid I will never be healthy again. I am afraid I will be a problem for my family.
You are not a problem. You are a person.
Sometimes I feel like I am only a sick body, not a real person.
You are a real person, Anna. You have value.
It is hard to believe that when I cannot work or help at home.
Tell me about your life before you were sick.
Before, I was strong. I woke up early. I cleaned the house. I cooked food. I worked in a small shop. I walked a lot.
You were active.
Yes, I was very active. I liked to move.
And now?
Now I wake up and I feel tired. Even walking to the kitchen is hard. Sometimes I sit on the chair and I cry.
Do you cry often?
Yes, I cry when I am alone. I do not want my family to see my tears.
Why not?
I want to be strong for them. I do not want them to worry.
You love your family very much.
Yes, I love them. They are kind, but they are also tired.
How many people are in your family?
I live with my husband and my 2 children.
How old are your children?
My son is 12 years old. My daughter is 9 years old.
Do they help you?
Yes, they help with small things. My daughter brings water. My son carries heavy bags.
That is very loving.
Yes, but I feel guilty. I want to help them, not the other way.
It is normal to feel that way, but you are still their mother. Your love is important even when your body is weak.
Sometimes I think I am a bad mother because I cannot do many things.
A good mother is not only strong in her body. A good mother loves, listens, and cares. You do these things.
I try. I listen to them talk about school. I ask about their friends.
That is good. Your heart is still strong.
My heart feels broken many days.
Why does it feel broken?
Because I remember my old life. I remember running, laughing, cooking big meals. Now I cannot do that.
You lost many things you enjoyed.
Yes, I lost my job, my energy, my joy.
Do you also feel angry sometimes?
Yes, I feel angry. I ask, why me? Why this sickness?
Do you say that to God?
Sometimes I do. Sometimes I am too tired to talk to God.
God is not angry when you are honest.
Really?
Yes, God understands your pain and your questions.
Sometimes I think God is far from me because I am sick.
God is very close to people who suffer.
It does not feel like that.
Feelings can change, but God's love does not change.
My feelings move like the sea. Some days I am calm. Some days I am like a storm.
That is a very clear picture.
I do not like the storm days.
On storm days, what do you do?
I lie in bed. I look at the ceiling. I feel heavy. I do not want to talk. I do not want to eat.
Do you tell anyone about those days?
No, I think they will not understand.
It is important to speak. Your feelings need a voice.
I am speaking now. It feels strange, but also good.
You are doing very well.
Thank you for listening.
You are welcome. Your story is important to me.
Really?
Yes, really. You are not just a sick woman. You are Anna with a story and a heart.
When other people speak with me, they only ask, "Are you better?"
They want you to be well, but sometimes they do not know what to say.
I understand, but I want them to ask, "How do you feel today?" Not only, "Are you better?"
That is a good difference. How do you feel today is a deeper question.
Yes, because sometimes I am not better in my body, but I feel a little better in my heart.
Tell me, how do you feel right now in this moment?
Right now, I feel a little lighter. My body still hurts, but my heart feels a little warm.
Why do you think you feel lighter now?
Because I can talk, because you listen to me and you do not hurry.
Listening is a kind of medicine for the heart.
Yes, it is.
What are your biggest fears about your health?
I fear I will get worse. I fear I cannot walk. I fear I will be in bed all day.
That is a very big fear.
I also fear my children will be ashamed of me.
Why would they be ashamed?
I don't know. Maybe because I cannot do what other mothers do.
Children can learn love and patience from you. They can learn how to care for someone who is weak.
Sometimes my daughter hugs me and says, "Mom, it's okay. We love you."
Those words are very beautiful.
Yes, I cry when she says that.
Tears can be healing too.
Not all tears feel healing. Some tears hurt.
That is true, but even painful tears can clean the heart.
Maybe. I hope so.
Anna, what do you do on a good day when you feel a little stronger?
On a good day, I wake up and I feel less pain. I can walk slowly. I can make simple food. I can sit outside in the sun.
How do you feel on those days?
I feel happy. I feel thankful. I say, "Thank you, God, for this day."
That is beautiful.
I try to enjoy every small good thing. A cup of tea, a bird and a tree, my children's laughter.
You have a thankful heart, even in pain.
I try, but some days I only complain in my head.
You are human. It is normal to struggle.
Do you think I am weak because I get sad and angry?
No, you are brave because you keep going even with sadness and anger.
Brave? I never think of myself as brave.
Brave people are not always loud or strong. Sometimes brave people are quiet and keep walking through hard days.
That is exactly my life. Quiet and hard.
And full of courage.
Your words are kind.
Kind words are important for a sick heart.
Many people say, "Be strong," but they do not say, "It is okay to feel weak."
It is okay to feel weak.
When you say that, I feel like I can breathe.
You do not need to pretend for me. You can be real.
Then I will say this. I am tired of pain. I am tired of pills. I am tired of smiling when I want to cry.
Thank you for being honest.
Do you ever get tired of people's problems?
No, my heart is big enough for every problem and every tear.
It must be a very big heart.
Yes, it is. And my heart is also gentle.
I need a gentle heart near me.
I am near you.
Even when I cannot see you?
Yes, even then.
Sometimes at night, when everyone sleeps, I feel very alone.
What happens in your mind at night?
I think about my sickness. I think about death. I think about my children's future. My thoughts are heavy.
Do you talk to God in those moments?
I sometimes say, "Please help me." It is a small prayer.
A small prayer with a big meaning.
Does God listen to small prayers?
Yes, God listens to every honest prayer, big or small.
That makes me feel a little less alone.
You are not alone in your bed. You are not alone in your fear.
Your words are like a hand on my shoulder.
Imagine my hand gently on your shoulder when you are afraid.
I like that picture.
What is one thing you want people to understand about your sickness?
I want them to understand that I am not lazy. I am not weak in my mind. I am really in pain.
You want respect and understanding.
Yes, I want them to be patient when I move slowly.
That is a very reasonable wish.
And I want them to ask, "How can I help?" Not just say, "Get well soon," and then go away.
Practical help and real care are very important.
Yes, sometimes help is small. Bring water, cook a little food, sit and listen.
Many small things make a big difference.
Yes, they do.
What do you do to take care of yourself?
I try to sleep enough. I take my medicine. I drink water. I rest when I am tired.
Do you do anything for your heart, not only for your body?
Sometimes I listen to calm music. Sometimes I read a little.
That is good.
Sometimes I just sit and watch the sky. It makes me feel small, but in a good way.
The sky can remind you that there is something bigger than your pain.
Yes, that is true.
If you could speak to other sick people, what would you say?
I would say, "You are not alone. Your pain is real. Your feelings are real. It is okay to cry."
Those are very good words.
I would also say, "You are still important. You are still loved."
You are speaking truth.
I want to give others what I want for myself, understanding and love.
Even in your sickness, you want to help others.
Yes, it makes my pain feel a little less empty.
Your kindness is a light in a dark place.
My body is weak, but maybe my heart can be a little light.
It already is.
Do you really think so?
Yes, you share your story. You care about others who suffer. That is light.
It helps me to hear that.
Anna, what is one small hope you have for the future?
I hope for more good days and fewer bad days. I hope to walk to the park with my children without pain.
That is a beautiful hope.
I also hope my heart will be peaceful, even when my body is not.
Peace in your heart is very important.
How can I find that peace?
You can rest in the truth that you are loved even when you do nothing.
Loved, even when I cannot work, cannot cook, cannot clean?
Yes, loved because you are you, not because of what you do.
It is a new idea for me.
Let it come slowly, like soft rain.
I will try to believe it.
When you feel very weak, you can say, "I am weak, but I am loved."
I am weak, but I am loved. I like that sentence.
Can you say it again?
I am weak, but I am loved.
Very good.
I feel tears again, but they are softer tears.
Soft tears can wash your heart gently.
Yes, they feel different from angry tears.
Both kinds of tears are welcome with me.
That makes me feel safe.
Anna, thank you for sharing your health and your feelings with me.
Thank you for listening and not judging me.
You are precious. Remember that.
I will try.
When the pain comes, remember my words. You are not alone.
I will remember.
When you feel sad, you can speak to me in your own simple words.
Even if my words are short and broken?
Yes, even then, I understand every word and every silence.
That is very comforting.
You do not have to be strong for me. You can rest.
I want to rest my heart now.
Rest in my love.
Thank you, Jesus.
You are welcome, Anna. Peace be with you.
And peace be with you too.